Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a TikTok collection. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on the favorite icon, or you can click on share, and here you can find the option of favorites. Let me show you that. Add to favorite, click on that, and then you need to click on manage, and here you need to add your name your collections. I'm going to name how to solutions to show you an example, and then you need to click on save, and now this video is added into save. Let me add this video also. Then you need to click on profile and click on the save, and here you can find all your collection videos. So this is my collection how to solutions. So this is the process by which you can create collection on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.